Hi, so welcome back to my channel. This week I just have a fun little vlog because I didn't really have the chance to film a sit-down video, but I just wanted to preface this video by saying that when this vlog was going on, school had just been moved online on the Friday night, or the Saturday morning was when they announced it. So I was just going out about my normal day. Obviously now I'm not doing that, but I was doing as I was instructed by the government, by health authorities, by my school. And yeah, I also just hope that everybody's staying safe and healthy. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, leave a thumbs up. Tomorrow's my 20th birthday, so if you want to subscribe, that would be awesome. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I totally meant to film more today, but I just didn't. But I got home and made some last minute plans with my uncle and my aunt to go for dinner. And I had an amazing breaded tofu bowl. It was so good. Good morning. My lips are still stained from my lipstick yesterday. But I have a smoothie. I have extra time today, so I'm just gonna chill and eat my breakfast, make a coffee, and then get ready. I'm trash at filming my life, so this is my outfit, my laptop, and I'm shooting today, so I have my camera bag and tripod attached to the bottom. Kind of look weird, but I kind of just accept that that's the way that I look. I got up early today and I have way too much time and I don't really want to leave for school now, so I'm just gonna make myself an iced coffee. I have class from 1 until 6, so I want to force myself to eat lunch before I leave, so probably at around like 11 or 11:30 I'll just like force myself to eat, even though I won't be hungry, but I don't want to have to buy food and eat it in class. Not bad. Hello to the vlog. The vlog. My vlog. Is that we can't be friends because you never played by the rules. Think of all your regrets and all that you said would come. I hope that sometimes it's hard to close your eyes. I just did my makeup. I still don't look cute or anything. Say hi to the vlog. I got home a little while ago and my video uploaded, posted an Instagram photo to promote it on my stories. Set up later for my Instagram so that I don't have to be on my phone. Yeah, otherwise I'm just gonna go get some food. I have like no meat or protein that I can use, so I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get some of that. I just got back from the grocery store like 10 minutes ago-ish. Started making dinner, so I'm making Big Mac in a bowl. So I have my lettuce, my pickles, and my onions. And then I've also been watching YouTube because I don't like feeling alone while I'm home alone. So yeah, now I'm gonna cook up some Beyond Meat. I really like it. I think it tastes really good. Here is my dinner. It's actually delicious. It looks so bad, but it is delicious. Good morning. My hands are purple again from washing my hair, but today I actually styled it. Yeah, I have really bad cramps today. I have to go to my amazing job. And then I might go to a concert tonight, but not a concert, like an open mic thing tonight, but I don't know, all this stuff going on is kind of making me not want to be in crowds. So this is what I'm wearing today. I have these like gray mom jeans from American Eagle, this belt from American Eagle, and then my white t-shirt is from Madewell. And I'm probably gonna wear my Converse, and then obviously I'm gonna put on a coat because it's freezing out. So I haven't updated you guys in a while. I just haven't been feeling it. There's been a lot going on, and I've just been like in bed, just like feeling sorry for myself basically for the past like few hours. But I had dinner, it was delicious, and now I'm watching some YouTube, because when am I not watching YouTube? To take my mind off of everything going on in the world, because as much as it is important to pay attention, I think it's also just as important to let myself have a break from it for a little while. Good morning, it's Saturday and I feel way better. I'm actually probably gonna go out today. And what am I gonna do? Probably gonna do some homework, because even though my class got moved online, I still have my work to do. So yes, that's, and then I'm going for dinner later with my boyfriend and a mutual friend. So.